Last night, jayz celebrated the opening of the first Fanatics Sportsbook in the Garden State. The rapper hit Atlantic City on Sunday, hosting the grand opening at Ocean Casino Resort. jayz pulled out a giant pair of scissors and cut away at the giant blue ribbon. Betting and Gaming CEO Matt King and Ocean Casino Resort GM Bill Callahan were also present for the event. Founder and CEO of Fanatics, Michael Rubin, joined jayz, cheering wildly when the scissors sliced through. The event was filled with excitement and marked a significant moment for the Garden State. Fans took to social media to share their excitement about the grand opening. The new sportsbook promises to be a major attraction in Atlantic City. jayz's presence added a touch of star power to the celebration. The grand opening was a memorable event, setting the stage for future successes. As the night came to a close, the excitement in Atlantic City was palpable. The buzz continues online with fans eagerly discussing the new sportsbook. jayz's celebration at the Ocean Casino Resort will be remembered for years to come.